Good morning, everyone. We are back to action. Let's get ready. We will be using our machine learning today. I refreshed the last one, and if you did the same, you're going towards TP1 now. Remember, we're scalping, we're in and out. Make sure you book your profits, learn how to move your stop loss to break even as soon as you can to protect your capital, okay? It's going towards TP1 now. As you can see, the movement on the market was not massive as we used to see every day now. 43.33 was the top of the range since yesterday night, and 43.06. Let me just double check. Okay, let's go to the 1 hour to see what the market is doing first. As you can see, the range is small range. 33 on the top, and then 43.06 on the bottom. Could be the market is trying to push and fill that gap. Can you see that massive gap here? Could be something like that, or we will carry on pushing up. The only thing we can know for sure, we follow machine learning and we go for it, okay? Let's see. First thing we do on the morning is watching the news. We don't have big news today. Tomorrow will be some news that will affect US dollar, but for today everything is okay. Let's go to the 1 minute. We're still trying to push, go to TP1. We didn't reach TP1 yet. If you are positive, you know what you need to do. Protect your capital, move your stop loss to break even as soon as you can, and book your profits. With machine learning, every 5 minutes we can refresh and go for it, guys. And that we will be doing on that call, okay? I will guide you through. I will make sure we're refreshing and we make those profits. TP1, book that profit, guys, and your stop loss should be at break even now, okay? Protect your capital. Another 15 seconds, we will refresh again. That is the 1 minute, by the way. I will keep that 1 minute here to help you, but you should have your trading view, okay? Make sure you have your trading view. Make sure you're refreshing. Is still a buy. It's still a buy. We have another entry point now. It's still a strong buy. Could retrace a little bit. Just be mindful. If you are on the range, you can wait for a better entry, or you can go straight away, okay? I'm waiting for a better entry on that one. If the candle change color straight away, I will be pressing the button, okay? If we're still retracing, I will be patient and wait for a better entry. We came to the top of the range here and it's going up. That range of your best entry came there and it's going to TP1, towards TP1 now. Get ready to book some profits. It's not TP1 yet. Get ready. It's still on that range. It's going towards TP1. If he retraces, make sure you have your stop loss, okay? Protection is the key. We're always talking about protect your capital, and that is the key. As soon as you press the button, put your stop loss. Okay, that is TP1, guys. If you're booking some profits, you can move your stop loss to break even. Went to TP1 is retracing. Let's see if we can keep pushing a little bit further. If you come back, needs to come back to your break even now, okay? Protect your capital. We're scalping in and out. We'll have some TP4s, TP5s, but most of them will go to TP1, okay? That's why it's important for you to book your profits. It's going to TP1 again. Move your stop loss to break even and book your profit, guys. Time to refresh again. As you can see, it's still a buy. You still have the range. If you reach out to your break even or nearby, your trade is protect, and we go again, okay? We're still on that range. It's just a small retracement. If you enter, good. If you're still waiting for a better entry, good as well, okay? Not right or wrong, but keep doing the same thing over and over. Still retracing. If you still wait for that, my best entry now is 24.50. It's still going into that area. It struggled to push up. As you can see, it's not a strong candle. It's on that small ranging on the 1 minute. I want to see strong candles going up. If it's a buy, to carry on to big TPs. But right now, I'll be happy with TP1. Yeah, TP1, guys. Time to move your stop loss and book some profits. Let's see if we can have TP2 on that one. I still struggle to break that 28. Remember, it's back. It's retracing now. If it retraces, where needs to retrace? Your break even, not stop loss, not hard stop, okay? Book your profits and move your stop loss as soon as you can to break even. That way you protect your capital. We're still not breaking that 28. It's trying to push up and break it. Let's see. But we don't chase. We just refresh again, guys. That's the power of it. As you can see, TP1s. Be grateful, book your profits, and we refresh again, okay? Let's get ready to refresh. It's retracing now. Let's get to refresh and we go for it again. Another 10 seconds. Prepare your machine learning, go there and refresh, okay? Still a buy. We have the range. Let's see if he's still retracing a little bit more. Thinking it's pushing. As you can see here, the price didn't enter to the zone. Was a buy. I put my first entry. I'm booking some profits. Okay. If that retraces and come back to the zone, I will enter again. But for now, I will book those profits. As you can see, now it's coming to the zone. Let's see if we go down. Better entry. So you can see that came back to the top of the zone and is going back again to TP1. Let's see if we reach TP1 on that one. Okay, book your profit, guys. Stop loss to break even. That can retrace again to that area. It's a small range. You can see the range straight away. If it comes back, need to come back to your entry point, okay? Break even. Don't leave open a stop loss or hard stop. You don't need to. Protect your capital, book your profits, and we refresh again, okay? As you can see, it's really small range there on the top, on the 1 minute. If we put the 5 minutes, you can appreciate that as well. As you can see, those candles, less candles for sure, but it's still here on that top, okay? 1 hour, as you can see, the market was not doing that big massive movements that we used to see. It's just a struggle now to push up. Maybe we'll come to close that gap. But we'll see. Now we're having buys. That means we are buying, okay? We don't need to overcomplicate. Make it simple, especially for you if you're starting now. Make it simple. Follow the trading cards, and that's it. Let's get ready again. As you can see, it's powerful. A lot of TP1s. Every little adds up, okay? Every TP1 will add up, and as you can see on the end of the day, you will have a great profit. Let's get ready. It's time to refresh again. Okay, it's still a buy, guys. It's still a buy on that range. I will wait for that candle a little bit. Let's see if we retraces and get a better entry, and we go for it, okay? Let me know in the comments if you're booking those profits. I know it's TP1s, but TP is TP. Get into the range. As you can see, still retracing. If you press the button already, you are on the top of that best entry. We still have room for that zone of buy. We're still dropping on that zone. I'm waiting for that bottom of the zone, guys. Best entry possible. It's still retracing, as you can see. Okay, I'm entering now and putting my stop loss. Okay. If it's a change direction, I want to protect myself. I will use only the stop loss for now. You can use the hard stop if you want. That will potentially be a great buy for you if you use the hard stop. Okay, I'm using my stop loss only now for that one because I have the entry on the top. I don't want to exposure myself. If you have only one entry on the bottom, great, you can use your hard stop and then you can have a potential strong buy there. Okay, change the music. We came to the bottom of the range. Protect yourself, have your stop loss, have your hard stop, and if it goes up, prepare to book your profits. Okay, refreshing again, guys. It's still a buy. It's still a buy. Okay, we're still buying. Not as strong as before, but remember, if we had a strong before, you can go for it. Okay, as you can see now, you can start to protect your capital. If you had some entries before, you can move those to break even and leave only the best entries. Okay, leave only the best entries. As soon as you blue on the another ones, if you have another entry, you can eliminate them, put a break even or book some profits. Leave now only the best entry. I have one Best entry at 24.57. I will keep that entry. And as you can see, the last one went to TP2 already. Let's see if we can break that 28 now. It's going strong, the buy. That's TP3. If you are at 28, book some profit, guys. That can retrace again. If he's respecting that range, that will retrace again. Book your profit, guys. As you can see, resilience is the key here. If you kept doing the same thing, protecting your capital, you are absolutely fine. No re-entries right now. We are TP, more than TP2, going towards TP3 now, guys. TP3. Let's book profits. As you can see, patience is the key. We have been only TP once this morning, and now straight away TP3. And if you're holding like me, I was holding the last one, I got really nice profits from the bottom of the range. Okay, and if you're holding, you don't need to keep placing more trades. Okay, don't chase. If you're holding the previous trade, you just place another one if you are at break even already. Okay, don't keep putting a lot of re-entries. And we have a trading card, a machine learning. Every 5 minutes we refreshing, and we're getting a lot of data. If it's a strong buy, strong sell, if it's neutral, we don't do anything, but we are able to do that all the time. Okay, we can do that every 5 minutes. If you like scalping, we can do 15 minutes, half an hour, or 1 hour. If you are not on the community yet, you don't have the machine learning, let us know. Okay, you can reach out to Cam on that number, or you can scan the QR code and be part of the community. And make sure we are doing that every day. Make sure you tune in and you ask questions. And if it's anything that you want to learn, you want to know why we are doing the way we are doing, just let us know. Okay, your feedback will help a lot. If it really helps you, that call, like and subscribe, then we can help more people as well. As you can see, 29, we'll be able to refresh again and go for it. Let's get ready. $29, as you can see, is going towards TP4 now. It's going towards TP4. If we break that 29, the next TP 31. Refreshing now. It's still a buy. Not as strong as before, but for me, it's good enough. Let's see if we retrace back, or we are going straight away to TP. Let's be patient on that one. We got already TP3, nearly TP4. If it's breaking 29, potential TP1 guys. Booking your profits, that's nearly TP4 on the previous one. You have your entry points. If you refresh with me, you will have your entry points. Make sure you follow that and you book your profits. That's TP1 straight away and TP4 on the previous one. Nice profits. We are breaking that 28. We have been buying. Make those profits on TP1. Now we are going towards big TPs. TP2 guys. TP2. Please let me know if you're booking those profits. TP2 already. And as you can see, it's retracing. What you need to do when you book your profits, you move your stop loss to break even. You protect your capital. Okay? As soon as you can, with scalping, we are in and out. We book the profits and we protect our capital. We move stop loss to break even. And then we just get ready again, guys. Nice TPs. TP4, nearly TP5 on the previous one. On that one, we went straight away to TP2. Straight away to TP2. Let's see if he's still a strong buy. And we go for it. As you can see now, we're just retracing. Let's see if he's still pushing. Come on. And as you can see, the power of it, we will be able to refresh again. Okay. And if you are out now, you should be out at your break even, at your entry point. Okay. Not stop loss, not hard stop. Protect your capital. As soon as we are in profit, book those profits and move your stop loss to break even. Let's get ready. Less than 1 minute, we'll be able to refresh again and go for it. Again, guys, that's the power of it. I'm getting ready. If you don't have your machine learning, let me know why not. It's completely free. You just need to be with our partner broker. Okay, let's go for it. It's still a buy. It's still a buy. I'm waiting to see if that is retracing now. Red candle. If it breaks that, could retrace a little bit more. If it doesn't, that can go straight away to our TP1. Let's see. Let's be patient. Wait for your best entry. It's retracing now. Wait for that entry. And the range is very narrow. As you can see now, very small range. If you want to use, instead to use your stop loss now, your hard stop, then you'll be able to have more range now. Okay, it's on the bottom of it. I'm not enter that one right now. It's still dropping. It's still dropping. That can go straight away to stop loss. Very narrow range. I will be waiting for a better entry. Okay, let me see. As you can see, patience is the key, guys. When it's dropping, just wait for a better entry, okay? Then you can play with your hard stop and your stop loss, just in cases like that, because the range was very narrow, very small range. And then you can see the hard stop and the stop loss, play with those two and book your profits. And then if you enter on the bottom of the range, don't keep waiting for TP1. You can book profits on the way. And make sure you do that, okay? That came on the really bottom of that. It went up. You don't need to over risk. You don't need to stay there. As soon as you can, you move your stop loss to break even and you book some profits on that bottom of that range, okay? As you can see, it's retracing again. That can push through on the back of that range. Let's see. I want to see that going up. Otherwise, that will come back here to 24. And now, if you make the decision, if you book some profits, great. If you enter that one, you need to have your hard stop, okay? Don't leave that open. You need to protect yourself. Plenty of TPs today already. TP4s, TP3s, plenty of TP1s. Protect your capital. Keep booking those profits. The power of it, you know, another 1 minute, we will be able to refresh. And if it's going up now, you know what you need to do. If you enter on the bottom of the range, guys, like we're talking about, sometimes we can use the hard stop and we can wait for the best entry possible. We do it, but then we protect our capital. As soon as in profits like now, book your profits and move your stop loss to break even. If you have two entries, one on the top, one on the bottom, keep the bottom and eliminate the top one now, okay? As soon as you are in profits on the top one as well, you can eliminate that. That's TP1, by the way. TP1, guys, came back all the way to the bottom of that range and is going to TP1 towards TP2 now. Towards TP2. Trust the process and you'll be able to keep making money. TP2 now. And we're refreshing. It's still a buy, guys. It's still a buy. We have been pushing with that buy, as you can see, since the beginning of the session. That's telling us something. That could be a potential buy on the big time frames. As you can see, the buy here on the 1 hour. But the only thing, we are on the top of that range now. We need to break that through. Okay. Needs to be a big push to break that through. Then we can go to all-time highs again on the day. Let's see if we can break that on that hour now. And then that will give us a confirmation of that buy. sweet racing, just be mindful of that. We are on the top, fighting here to break that point now. Protect your capital, okay? Stop loss, always. That's non-negotiable. As soon as you press the button, as soon as you're buying or selling, you need to put your stop loss. If you want, like we did before, we saw the retracement, we play with the hard stop and went very well, because then you have a better entry point. But for now, if you're playing, if you're pressing the button, you need to have your hard stop, okay, or your stop loss. In that case, it's coming back again. It's still on the range, but if we break it, that will go to your stop loss. And let me see, a minute and a half, I will be able to go again, guys. If you're going on that one, we nearly reached TP1. It's coming back all the way. If that is reaching your stop loss is there to protect yourself. I'm not doing the hard stop right now. I'm using only my stop loss, okay? And it's reaching my stop loss. First stop loss on the day. Very tiny one, as you can see, we went to 29 and 30 more or less. You have different numbers, and you have the pipettes as well. And then the stop loss was 28.50 more or less. If you're doing your hard stop, you're supposed to be using 25.50, okay? But I'm not using my hard stop on that one. Like I say to you, we are on the top of that range, trying to break that through. We got plenty of TPs already. One tiny stop loss is just to protect us. And if you refresh, it's still a buy. Now you can go for a buy on that bottom of the range, okay? It's between 25, 26. A stop loss very tiny as well. But it's on that bottom of the range that will help you to make that decision now. Then of course you can use your hard stop if you want to, okay? If you want to even protect even more your capital, because that can drop again here on that area 24. You can use your hard stop. But for now, we have been buying, sweet racing, as you can see on the hour. A big wick here, but we can fulfill that wick again easily. If you press the button, prepare to book profits. We're going towards TP1. Let's get ready to book some profit, guys. Went to TP1 already. what we need to do as soon as we book TP1, we should be moving our stop loss to break even. Okay. TP1 plus now. Let's see if we go to TP2. Going towards TP2 now, guys. Stop loss at break even. That is a risk free. If you had two entries, one you closing straight away on TP1, the another one you let that to run. Okay, that's the way. If you have a small capital, to protect yourself and try to make as much as possible as well. We're still pushing there. You should be positive already. TP2 going towards TP3 now. Let's see if we break that 30. We have been buying all morning. Plenty of opportunities. I really hope you're booking those profits. And guess what? We'll be able to refresh again now and go for it. Let's use machine learning again. Let's refresh and getting a new trading card. If that retraces, will retrace to your break even, not your stop loss, not your hard stop. Okay, your break even. It's still a buy. It's still a buy, guys. You have the range. Nice range now. Let's see. Why is TP1? Yeah. Get ready for that and go for it. If you book your profits already, amazing. If you're not, why not? Go for it, guys. Don't keep waiting, okay? That's good. We came to the zone and we wait and we're going towards TP1. Let's prepare yourself to book those profits. Okay, TP1. Move your stop loss and book those profits. And TP2 again, guys. TP1, TP2. Let's book some profits and move your stop loss to break even. TP2. Could be strong TP3 now. Let's see. Still pushing. We have been buying, guys, all morning. Some of those went and make a nice TPs for us today. Most of them are making TP1, and then we had plenty of TP2s, and now you see nearly TP3. Book those profits, move your stop loss to break even, and get ready to refresh again. You can have a break now if you book all those profits. Go have your glass of water, prepare your tea, and come back. That's the power of it. The power of scalping. We are in and out. We are booking those profits, and we're protecting our capital. Main things, okay? The main thing is protect your capital. Another minute and a half, we go again. For now, we are going towards TP3, and we are at risk-free. Stop loss at break even, book some profits, and then if you still can have one entry, you leave that entry there, okay? Go for your TP3, TP4, TP5, and time to time we'll reach those TPs for sure. We had a nice TP4 today already. TP2s. Retracing, I hope you book your profits. Don't keep waiting, guys, to book those profits, okay? Okay, let's get ready. It's time to refresh again. If you have your machine learning, get ready and let's refresh. Still a buy, still a buy. Remember, we are on the change of hour now. Last 5 minutes of the hour, that can be the push to finish that hour. But if it retraces, some hours will have those massive retracements. What you need to do, protect your capital, okay? As soon as you press the button now, put your stop loss straight away. I know we do that all the time, but especially we need to be mindful on the hours change, okay? As you can see, it's going towards TP1. If you're still holding, you be having TP4s. But for now, on the last one, we are going towards TP1. Make sure you book those profits and protect yourself, okay? We are going towards finishing that hour. Could be a big push to finish the hour. And we have, as you can see on the hour, we feel all that wick. We thought before it will be easy to feel the wick, and we're feeling that wick. But it could be a retracement as well on the next hour. Okay, that's why we need to be mindful. Protect your capital. If it's breaking through, amazing. It's good for us. If he retraces, we have our stop loss. Even better if we can have our break even. Okay, let's see if it keeps pushing to TP1. It's going towards TP1, guys. Yeah, TP1, book your profits, move your stop loss to break even. Then you protect. Then Now you have 2 entries. You can go for TP2, TP3, TP4, and we protect. Let's go for it. TP1 is on the pocket. That's TP4, by the way, on the previous one, guys. TP4. Let me know if you booked that. If you still have some entries on the previous ones, you're making really nice profits now, guys. That's TP2, TP2, TP4, TP5s on the previous ones. If you're still holding that, if you still have a small percentage of your trading on the previous ones, you're making really nice profits now. TP2 already. As you can see on the hour, we're breaking it. If it's still pushing, we still have a lot of room to go up, okay? We have been buying on that hour. We'll be able to refresh again and go again. That's the power of it. Another 1 minute, we'll refresh again, okay? It's going towards TP3 now. Just be mindful, could be a retracement now. We'll refresh, and if it's still green and it's still going strong up, we go for it. If it's a red candle, we wait for that retracement, okay? Let's get ready. That's TP3, by the way, and some TP4s, 5s on the previous ones. It's still a buy. It's still a buy, guys. Just be mindful, could be a retracement now. Wait for the best entry. Wait for the best entry. I will use my hard stop on that one. I'll wait for that and use my hard stop on that one, guys. The buy is still strong, but that can be a retracement because we have been pushing through on the last hour for all those points, okay? Let's see on the hour. As you can see, could retrace. If he retraces and break that point, can retrace at least half of the candle. But if it's still a strong buy like we are having now, that can keep pushing. Just a small retracement. That's why it's important to use your hard stop now, and then you still have a chance to go on that one, okay? If you don't want to go, want to wait for 5 minutes, 10 minutes more, absolutely fine as well, guys. Don't need to keep chasing every single one, okay? I still think it's a strong buy. That's why I'm doing that strategy. Book your TP1, move your stop loss to break even, and let's go. That's I told you, small retracement, and we still pushing up. And let's book more profits. TP1 already. It's going towards TP2. It's going towards TP2 now. Let's book those profits, guys. Move your stop loss to break even. Have been doing a lot of TPs this morning. I really hope you book all those profits. Plenty of TPs, some TP5s, TP1s, one after another one. And now we're going towards TP2. And let's protect our capital. Should be at break even now, okay? Protect your capital at break even and go for it. I'm not thinking it's a buy. It's a buy. You refresh it. If you're refreshing on the right time, Ingrid, if you're using the machine learning, it's a buy. We went to TP1 already. Going towards TP2. If you're using the machine learning, if you're refreshing with me, you're supposed to have the same thing as me, okay? Some slightly different numbers because we will refresh different time, but it's still a buy. And proof of it, we book some profits. If you're not, let me know, okay? If you need a one-to-one to see how you're doing as well on your trading cards, how you're using it, if you're making profits, that's the main thing, okay? As you can see this morning, since we start, have been more than 1 hour now, and we had only one small tiny stop loss if you doing the same as me, okay? The same way we approaching the market, we approaching together, and if you're doing that, you had very tiny stop loss, 20 pips tops, and that's it. And if you keep refreshing, we keep buying. If you see the numbers, very strong buy. Don't overthink. You press the button and you book your profits. That's the 15 minutes, by the way, still strong. And the buy on the 5 minutes is still strong as well. Only the range changes, okay? If you refresh on the 15 minutes, you will have a big range to place your trades, more time to place your trades, and it's not fast as scalping. But as you can see, the price went straight away to the point. Let's see if we have a retracement and book some profits again. Should be positive now. If you want to start to book those profits, go for it, guys. Move your stop loss to break even as soon as you can. We are on the top of that range now. That's TP1. That's TP1, guys. You know what to do. Move your stop loss to break even, book those profits. On the 50 minutes was strong buy as well. That helps us to understand and to go for it strong. But always fits on the floor and move your stop loss to break even as soon as you book those profits, okay? Let's see if we have a TP2 on that one. For now, TP1 is on your pocket and you need to have your stop loss at break even. Okay, protect your capital and remember, don't keep chasing. We'll be able to refresh again. Another 2 minutes and we'll be able to refresh again. Don't keep chasing, okay? Plenty of opportunities, plenty of money to be made. Just need to be patient. As you can see, price is retracing. You should be out at your break even, okay? Not stop loss, not hard stop, at break even. You book your profits, you wait for TP1, you booked it, and now we just wait to refresh again. And guess what? Another 1 minute we'll be able to do that, okay? Just be patient. And that can go now to TP2, 3, 4, 5. We don't mind. Plenty of opportunities on the market. If we miss one bus, we take the next one, okay? And if you took those profits, amazing. And if out at break even more, because you're doing the right thing, okay? And now let's say 1 minute, we'll be able to refresh again and go for it. As you can see, it's going to TP2 now. If we book our profits already and you're out at break even, absolutely fine, guys. We had plenty of TP4s, TP5s today. Don't keep chasing, okay? Keep using the same strategy and protect your capital. If you refresh, you know what you need to do. It's still strong. Still strong. Just be mindful that retracement now. It's still strong to buy, okay? Don't overthink. Book your profits. It's going towards TP1. TP1. Going towards TP2 now. Guys, book your profits and move your stop loss to break even, okay? Capital preservation, that is the strategy, and we are taking plenty of TPs today already, guys. Plenty of TPs. We have been booking TPs after TPs, and the way we are doing protecting ourselves is perfect. Okay, as you can see, could be a break even for you now. Absolutely fine. We nearly reached TP2 on that one. Don't keep chasing the same one. That could be a retracement, guys. Don't keep chasing the same one, okay? As you can see, retracements now. Hello, Khan.
Good morning. How are you guys? Good morning,
Hey.
everybody. Apologies for my lateness.
Don't worry. How are you feeling?
I'm good. I'm okay.
Okay.
How we doing?
Great. Plenty of TPs today.
Yeah,
One-
been a good morning, hasn't it?
One tiny stop loss. And the way we are doing as well, that strategy is working really well. Protecting ourselves, moving stop loss straight away as soon as we can to break even is perfect. Because sometimes, of course, we'll miss TP2 or one TP3. Doesn't matter because we
Yeah.
have plenty of opportunities to keep re-enter the market and go for it, you know?
Brilliant.
That is perfect. Plenty of TPs today. I really hope everyone is booking those profits.
Morning, Carol. Morning, Ingrid. I hope you're all well. Got a few people on this morning. Say hello. Where are you from? Always nice to know. Have a bit of company. Paul Matte's been on his own. I hope you've been looking after him and talking to him.
Okay, as you can see, retracing is still on that area, but we don't care. We booked those profits already, went straight away to TP1, nearly TP2. Book those profits, move your stop loss to break even as soon as you can, okay? And don't keep re-enter the same trading card. We refresh again and we go again. Be patient, okay? As you can see,
plenty of day left.
Yeah, it's plenty of opportunities. Only on the 5 minutes, every 5 minutes refreshing on the scalping strategy that we are using is 12 times you can have possibilities on the hour. It's a lot of times, guys. Don't keep chasing, okay?
Absolutely. Thank you.
As you can see, it's going up again. Let's get ready. 30 seconds, we'll be able to refresh again. Ten seconds. Get ready. Your powerful machine learning to generate a new trading card. And let's see. Have been smashing this morning, as you can see, still strong. Go for it, don't overthink, and book your profit.
80%, wow. Been a long time since I saw 80% on the system.
Yeah, very strong. And TP1, very strong. Green. And TP2 towards TP2 now. Still few pips. Yeah. As you can see, guys, green candle, strong. When you refresh, go for it. Don't overthink. It's on the range or nearby the range. Go for it. And we have been in a very nice entry point on that one. On the top of the range, was not on the bottom of the range, of course, but straight away. Don't overthink. Green candle.
Yeah.
TP2 straight away, guys. On the same 1 minute candle, TP2. Book your profits. If we break that 40 now, that could be a potential TP3 4 now. But protect your capital. Now you are at break even, you're risk free, and you book your TP2. Okay.
So I'm a break even for my stop loss now, just above it as always. So the worst case scenario is you end up with a few pips, and so defined output, defined outcome is what we're always after now. We've moved from wishing and hoping that this thing works to a system that we've actually made it work. So you move now your stop loss to break even, and then to TP1 if you want to stay in the trade or take TP1. So the worst case scenario now is I'll make a few pounds on that trade. Okay. Yeah. If you carry on using that system, so all of a sudden it's 50 pips up on from my entry point.
Okay, and prepare now to book your TP3, guys. It's going up. Book some profits.
Yeah, take some money off the table. Don't blame us if it comes back.
As you can see, the money is there to take, guys. You just need to go for it. Okay.
Yeah, I took 40 pips on that trade. Out, done, dusted, ready for the next one. So clean. If you're doing the 5 minutes, because Mateus been doing this for a few months now, and we obviously didn't introduce it for a little while when we were here. And then I've started using it on my live account a number of weeks ago, but I've been trading with you guys for the last few weeks. And obviously over the last few weeks, my experience has got better and better with the system. It is absolutely incredible as long as you're willing to do really what Mateus is instructing us to do. You know, book your profits, move your stop loss to TP, to break even, then move it to. So I've taken them that and the teachings of Mateus and adapted them for myself. So I quite like the idea of getting 50 pips, 100 pips. I think yesterday I ended up with about 400 or 500 pips on a few trades because I trailed my stop loss. But it was a very bullish, very moving market yesterday morning. Not quite so much. I'm not quite up to speed with it this morning, but it's moving up nicely. If I look on the hour, do you want me to share, Mateus? Is that okay?
Yeah, let me stop sharing mine.
So one of the things that we do at the point when we look at the market in terms of sitting down, if you're fortunate enough to be sitting with a laptop or a desktop and not on your phone, see what the day is doing. So that's the day range. Oh, sorry, I've not added it. So there's your day range. So 4 days straight, the results have been that it's been buying. Doesn't mean that it's not been selling. It's been buying. Look at the range. Yeah, 43.05, 43.41. Very tight today. Not a lot of movement, but it's heading towards the top of the range again. So market, you think, where did it start? So now you look at what's the market done since it opened. Go back to 11 o'clock last night. 8, 9, sit there. So it was buying. So an hour of buying, 1, 2, 3, selling. So the market's buying back there. Let's expand these.
We're still buying, okay?
We're still buying. Yeah. So that's 11 o'clock market open. It buys, sells, buys, sells, sell, buy. Okay. So we may be heading back for that, but we don't count on that. We don't need to count on that because it's got this wonderful system that's telling us. So take your profit, book it, put the money in the bank, wait for the next one. It's very simple, rinse and repeat. You could not get a simpler system than trading like this. No charts, don't have to look at anything. Free version of TradingView, don't even have to pay for it because you don't need the charts, you don't need the indicators. It's all done. And I've really adapted to that really, really well. And I'm now thinking of doing a few new things in terms of with you guys, suggesting a few things that we do for next month. But that's another story. But so we look on the hour, we look at the 5 minutes, what's that doing? Again, that trend is up. And then this is where we live. We live in the 1 minute and the 5 minutes. Okay. As Mateus said, we're still buying. You can see that. Little retracement there, little retracement there, little retracement. See, the market at this moment in time is in this mode. Okay. Fed interest rate decision tomorrow, but it doesn't hit us till 7:30 in the evening. So it won't affect us. Trading may be slow tomorrow. And then at 7:30, all hell will break loose, whichever way it goes, up or down. You don't want to be in any open trades without stop losses, without TPs set at that moment in time. And you want to avoid trading at that point. Okay, so that's the 1 minute. You can see what it's doing. We were ready to pull it down a minute ago, Mateus. We missed that one. We're gonna do it now.
Yeah, it's
buying.
It's still buying. It's a strong buy.
Still buying.
We went for TP1 on the previous one, and it's back to that range.
Yeah.
As you can see, if you're refreshing today, we have like suboptimal, optimal, and it's changing a little bit. It's to give you more clarity and more direction as well. Okay, that will help you even more. As soon as we have all the updates, we will give you all the information as well. We have a meeting tomorrow at 8 p.m. UK time. On that meeting, we will go through all those updates with you. Okay.
Beautiful.
But if you have any questions, just let us know. But as you can see, that live check is helping as well you to understand the last candle. You're checking the last candle. If you're using the 5 minutes, that will be the 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and so on, half an hour, 1 hour. Okay, that is the live check. It's checking the last candle. And then you have all the probabilities there didn't change, but it's getting better and better. I don't know about you, but about me, I'm very excited because it's life changing, guys, for all of you. It will be so easy to trade with all that information.
So that slipped back.
Yeah.
Where are we in terms of?
We still protect on that one.
Yeah, we're okay. We're okay. We didn't hit stop loss. So if you're watching for the first time, just want to welcome you. We do this every morning, 8 till 10. So we do the London Open, and then we come back Monday to Thursday to the New York Open. There's only one thing we'd ask you to do, which is to subscribe to our channel. Over 500 traders now subscribe and come and drop in and trade with us as it suits them, and listen to the recordings for education. So this is the only thing we'll ask you for. If you'd like our video and subscribe to the channel, that just, it's appreciation for us, and it's telling YouTube that this is useful content, that other people may want to see this. Because if you're watching it, then there are other people like you that can use this stuff. It doesn't cost us any more to have 5,000 people doing this. So really, really good stuff. Just give me 1 second, Matthias.
Yeah. Okay, guys, prepare to book your profits. It's going towards TP1. Very nice entry. And TP1, book your profits and move your stop loss to break even. Going towards TP2 now. Book those profits, guys. TP2. As you can see, it was retracing at some point, just a spike up. That means the buy is still strong, and you can see straight away on your profits. TP2 from the bottom of that range, amazing profits. Please keep booking those profits and move your stop loss to break even. Protect your capital, okay? Capital preservation and profits. As you can see, it's going towards TP3 now. If you still have some debt, you're going towards TP3 now. But for now, you book your profits and you protect your capital, okay? If you retraces, we don't care. The profits is out of the table already. Let's get ready. 27. some minutes to go to refresh again, guys, but I hope so you book those profits. It's retracing now. Retracing straight away to GP1. Retracing back straight away to GP1. That means easily can go now down again. But now you have the money out of the table and your stop loss at break even. Please do that, okay? If you're still on the trade, amazing. That means you enter on the right time on the bottom of that range and you still have room to protect your capital. Another minute and a half, we'll be able to refresh again, okay? Get ready for that. If you don't have access to our machine learning, you'll be not able to see those numbers. At some points today, I will share the screen with you for you to understand what you can see on the machine learning when you're generating your trading card. It's a lot of information.
If you haven't got access to our machine learning Telegram group, then there's something actually wrong with you.
Yeah, you're missing out.
It's going to revolutionize your trading. I'm telling you this for nothing. It's going to absolutely smash it out. I think, did I end up with about 5 or 6% yesterday, Mateus?
Yeah,
ridiculous. It was ridiculous, honestly.
And only on the call you can imagine that, the power of it as well. It's just crazy. And today we are heading for the same direction because we have been buying all the time. Look at the last one is straight away to GP2 from the bottom of nearly GP3. It's just amazing. When we have days like today, buying, we are on the right direction all the time. I didn't have any sell, only buys, and it's really help you to have those runners and book profits one after another one. Is just amazing.
100%.
And let's refresh again.
Let's go with this.
Another buy, guys. Another buy.
And I'm in profit.
Yeah. Should be in profit already.
By the way, Mateus was just talking about, we're buying, we're doing absolutely brilliantly. Stop losses and taking small losses should be part of your business plan. Okay? They are going to happen.
We had one today on the morning, the first hour. Yeah.
There you go.
At then you're making 40 pips, 50 pips, 70 pips. If you lose 10 pips, 20, it's part of the game.
Doesn't matter what you're making. If you, Warren Buffett said, if you're not prepared to lose money, don't expect to make any.
Yeah. And book your profits. GP1.
Yeah, absolutely beautiful. Yeah.
GP1 going towards GP2, book your profits, move your stop loss to break even.
Even though this is a business like no other, there is no business that makes money every day. Okay?
Yeah.
The man that's just become a trillionaire was begging people to buy Tesla off him for 50 million. Yeah? He was going cap in hand to people, buy my company because they were losing so much money. He thought he couldn't turn it around. Okay? So don't come here, don't trade with us, leave the group, leave us if you think you're going to make money every single day or you think you're going to get rich quick.
Yeah, that's not for you.
No, it's not for you. Not for you. Go and put it on the bookies or something, or play the lottery or something, right? This is a consistent, hard work business. But like I said, it's a business like no other because you can start with a few £100 and you can build and build and build and build and build. And we've now got the systems that allow you to do that. So we're really happy to share those with you, but the mindset's got to be right. So if I'm a little bit firm, it's because I truly, truly believe in this system. Okay?
Can you repeat that again? Can you slow? I can have some
Which bit would
insight
you
on
like
that.
me to repeat?
Straight to the point. Tell them honesty if that is for them.
If you think you're going to get rich quick, and if you think you're never ever going to make any losses, this business is not for you. Warren Buffett said, if you're expecting to make money, expect to make losses. And if you don't want that, then it's not the right business for you. Okay? There isn't a business on this God's earth which makes money every single day. The man that's just become the world's first trillionaire was going cap in hand to people like Steve Jobs at Apple, begging them to buy Tesla for $50 million. That's all he wanted, because he'd had enough. And look where that company is today. And along with SpaceX and his other companies, he's the world's first trillionaire. You have to have resilience. This is a business like no other. You can start with a few £100s and take it to the moon. But it takes consistency, it takes resilience, and it takes hard work. I've never advocated that you can sit on the beach and become a millionaire. That's absolute BS. Even people who are billionaires and millionaires never sit on the beach, right? So that's this nonsense that social media wants to portray. I put a post up today. I made £1,000 trading a couple of days ago. How many days like that would you need to equal the salary that you work all month for? So we're willing to do 10 hours a day for somebody else for a salary whereby we're still finding it difficult to make ends meet at the end of the month. Yet we think that we can do a couple of hours of trading on our mobile phone whilst we're walking around and make a living. Nonsense. It ain't going to happen, right? Let's be realistic. And that's the thing about goals. Yeah, one of the checks is, are those goals realistic and achievable? We've put together all the tools that you need to succeed in this business. All you need to bring is a few $100s, a few $1,000s, wherever you want to start with, and the right mindset. And you can trade with me and Matthias 4 hours a day, every single day. And that's actually enough. If that's all you do, brilliant. If it was me and I was starting with a small amount of capital, I'd be doing 10 hours a day of trading. Right? I'd be doing 10 hours of trading, following this system, making small gains, incremental gains. I was having a conversation this morning with somebody saying you could do 10% a day. And I sincerely believe on this system you can. What do you think, Matthias? If you traded 8 hours a day, would you make 10% a day?
Yeah, you can make, absolutely, especially with the system that we have. If you're doing 8 to 10 hours a day, is
Matthias, only with the system that we have.
Yeah,
because if you're charting, if you're using charting software, if you're following all the indicators and all the rest of it, you're on your own.
Yeah.
If you're following signals of a human trader, yeah, they cannot possibly be giving you I'm going to call it a signal, because there isn't a better word that I can think of right now. They're going to take a toilet break. They're going to go to lunch, right? They're going to go to sleep. They cannot be on that screen giving you guidance, because that's what it actually is. It's a roadmap for trading 23 hours a day. All right. I was talking to one of my trader friends this morning. I said, how are you doing? Are you trading today? No, I finished. I did it last night. Really? Yeah. Market opened at 11. I was following the system, done 3%. I don't need to trade.
Book your profit, guys. If you refresh, you are on TP1, nearly TP2 already. Please book your profits. We're not updating you now when we're talking on the back end, but just refresh and go for it, okay? Because it's still a buy, it's still strong.
So there it is. I'm going to show you the hour. You should have these charts with you, but there's plenty of room. We were talking about these yesterday. So if you look at the day, so there's the wick. So it's about half engulfed yesterday's candle. And it was interesting because we were talking about the 4400, and I said it may not do it till tomorrow. It may still not do it today. Right?
We never know.
Yeah. This is just for your education. This is just for your general knowledge of your subject. It's wonderful. We had a meeting with one of our existing clients that follows this service after this meeting, in between the two sessions, Matthias and I. And they invested a really nice, tidy sum of money into the TWK gold trading strategy that trades for you. And we were just talking about this very thing, that the idea of trading together, right? Of having a community of people was really helping. And the market will do whatever the market will do. We can't control that. But we can talk in general terms. And the lady was saying that she's forever Googling stuff about gold. She wants to learn everything about it. So I'm very fortunate because I happen to live with probably the best gold trader that I know. And so we can exchange ideas and we can talk about it all day long. We find it fascinating. So, that's where it's at. Learn the subject. So like I said yesterday, we were talking about, I think we were talking about this one here. So the previous high. So that was obviously yesterday. I did that. We were talking about this. It hit it. Then we're talking about this. And I think I was talking about this area. The 4,400 will obviously be massive. And then this area here. As the details of the Iran-US peace deal comes to fruition, as the Strait of Hormuz actually opens up, the only constraint that we now have, the constraints that we have now is the interest rate decision tomorrow. Now, it's highly anticipated that they're going to leave them alone. And the reason I think they're going to leave them alone is because the war has ended. Trump needed that for his ego and his birthday and for the interest rate decision, is that they'll just wait. It's the new chairman's first Fed meeting. So my personal view is I don't think they'll do it. And that's the consensus that's coming through at this moment in time. So brilliant. So Carol's book, I'm going to put. So I agree with the idea of community. I think it can help people succeed in trading. I wish I had a community too. You are in this community, Carol. So introduce yourself. That QR code will take you to the Telegram group. Come and open an account with our broker. We'll give you access to our trading tech absolutely free. And you're welcome to join us every single day. Where are you joining us from, by the way? Are you local? Are you in the UK? Or are you outside the country? So you are already in the community. What makes you think that you're not? You're here. Yeah, over 500 traders have subscribed to our channel in the last 8 weeks, right? So that tells me that there's a need for this and we're doing what we're doing. So there's the 1 hour. Go back to the 1 minute because I don't want to forget. As you can see from my conversation and demeanor, I'm quite enthusiastic about what we're doing, right? And because Matthias and I are both immigrants, we both came here with nothing, right? And the only thing we came with was an attitude that there was no work that was beneath us. But this is great work.
Yeah. As you can see, it's retracing a little bit now, but it's still a strong the buy. You can wait a little bit more for the retracement. If you place one trade already, make sure you have your stop loss, okay? Protect your capital, but it's still a strong buy, okay? The buy is still strong, just could be a retracement now. That's why you need to have your stop loss always, okay? Don't underestimate anything. Always protect yourself.
So Carol's joining us from Kenya, which is wonderful. Wow. We already have a client that's joined us from Kenya, Carol. They're trading. So welcome, and come and join our community. Matthias, if you want to. I'll get Matthias to put my phone number up if you want to WhatsApp me and have a conversation, anything that you need. There you go. So if you screenshot that. And actually, I'll put it here. I think we let's communicate.
You can put on the comments as well.
And that's exactly what I'm going to do, Matthias.
Okay, we're going to TP1, book your profit, guys, and move your stop loss to break even, okay? Book your profits and move your stop loss to break even. Let's go. It's going towards TP3 now. TP3, TP2, I'm sorry. TP2.
Here she goes.
TP2, I saw the big movement. I told us TP3 already, not yet, but great TP, straight away TP2, guys. From the bottom of the range to TP2. Now it's going to TP3, going towards TP3. Let's see. TP3, by the way, if you check your trading card when you refresh, for me is 45 points on pipettes. I will not say the rest. Let's keep it simple. 45 will be TP3. And let's say if we can have that CP3.
Beautiful. I've closed that trade, Matthias.
Well done. I booked some profits on that one as well.
Yeah, there's 30 pips. I got another one, which is at 30 pips now.
I just holding some trades from this morning for 43.50. Let's see if we can go there. And we're nearly there. We're nearly there now.
We must be telepathic because I've set my TP at 43.50.
You see? Okay, it's retracing, but as you can see, we went to that TP3. TP3 is on your pocket, as you can see, 43.45, and we're refreshing again, and it's still strong. It's still strong. The buy, guys.
Still buying?
Yeah.
Wow.
I didn't see any sell this morning. I don't think so. I saw any sell.
Well, as I was saying yesterday, I look at TP5 as a great guide because it's the bottom. So TP5 just went from 43.50 to 43.53, which means the system thinks there's plenty of strength in the market, in the buying idea. So it's really interesting. And then Matthias and I were just saying that we've got a trade open with a TP set at 43.50, which is interesting.
Yeah, let's see. We going towards that. We never know if it will be a retracement, guys. Don't get our word for it. Just protect yourself.
Don't get excited.
Yeah.
Don't get over exuberant.
Yeah. Plenty of TPs this morning. TP5s, TP4s, a lot of TP3s, plenty of TP1s on the first hour. But we kept resilient. We kept buying. Then you can see the results straight away. A small time loss, but apart from that, TPs after TPs.
So tracing back.
Just one sec. Have someone on the door. I come back now.
No problem, Matthias. So you see, so this is the 5 minutes. You can see the pattern. Yes, of course, at some point it'll reverse and it'll top out. So this is an indicator that talks about. So it thinks that the market's topped out. Yeah, but it's an indicator that records history. It's not the prediction of the future. That's the thing about indicators. They're only telling you what went on up to a minute ago, 2 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago. Actually saying to you how to place trades now, that's the real deal. And once you have a couple of things in your locker, once you wake up and your business plan is that if I do 10 trades and 3 of them hit stop loss, I'm okay with that. 4 of them hit stop loss, I'm okay with that. Even if 5 hit stop loss, because there will be days that will happen. If you have that as part of your business plan, if you know that I'm okay with that, you can't lose as a trader. I can tell you that for nothing. It's only those people that clench themselves, oh, I can't lose anything, can't lose anything, right? It's guaranteed you're going to lose some trades. Okay? Best traders in the world. But if you planned for it, it's not a shock. And if you want to win most of the day, so I will tell you today, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 positives trades. No losses at this moment in time. But if it comes, I think yesterday I had 1 or maybe 2. But that's all part and parcel of the business, right? So if you have that, if you have the system whereby mentally you're prepared for the fact that, you know what, if I have 1 losing day out of a month or 2 days, it's really fine. There's not a single team. We've got the World Cup being played at this moment in time. Not a single team will go and play every single game and win every single game. I can tell you that for nothing. If I've got to put £1 million bet on that, I would. But the bookies wouldn't take it because they know the same thing. Yeah? So that's what our mindset has to be all about. We have to be prepared that there are going to be days that don't go as well as other days. Yes, we had a fantastic session, didn't we? Right? But we don't always have fantastic sessions. Sometimes we struggle. So far, from what I know, we're about 10 minutes away from finishing our session this morning. We've had a lovely session. Matthias, did you say you hit 1 SL this morning?
1, yeah. We had 1.
But you could also have had, if you're refreshing on the 5 minutes, that's 24 trade cards you could have pulled down.
Yeah.
So let's say you did 15, right? Didn't do it every minute, every 5 minutes. If you did 15 and you had 1 or 2 stop losses, that's pretty good going.
It's amazing. It's still amazing. Let's see. Time to refresh again, guys. Another 10 seconds. Get ready for that. Have your machine learning in front of you and refresh and go for it.
Still buying.
It's still buying. Yeah.
It's because of this process. If you think about it now, it wants to get to this, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's towards that.
This was yesterday. So yesterday's high was 43.70, right? It hit that at 3 o'clock yesterday afternoon.
Yeah.
Yeah. And so you can see there's nothing to stop it. But from here now, that's on the hour. There's nothing to stop it. It could do it, all of that.
Yeah.
But again, I reiterate, we don't need to worry about that. Yeah, we've got our satellite navigation telling us every 5 minutes, turn here, turn here, turn here, turn here, turn here, turn here, go straight, turn here, right? So you don't need to overthink this, just need to press the button.
Make it simple.
So that's the 1 minute now, the retracement.
Yeah. Just be mindful of that retracement. If you want to use your hard stop, now is a great moment to use it, just to give some more room, because it's too strong the buy. That means could retrace with your stop loss, but if you have your hard stop, then you give more chance for that. Okay. As you can see, we are not using hard stop often, just at some point on the day, okay? Not all the time. If you place some trades on the bottom of that range, you should be in profit already. You can book some of those profits, okay? can see it's going towards TP1. Let's get ready to book those profits. TP1, book your profits and move your stop loss to break even, guys. TP1 already. That's why it's important for you to use that hard stop time to time. As you can see, the stop loss on that one for me was 40.50. We nearly went there, but then I was using my hard stop on that one to protect that capital. If it goes further, if it's still dropping, then I have my hard stop. My hard stop was at 37.50. Okay, that was my hard stop. I gave a little bit more room, but as you can see, straight away now we are at TP1 going towards TP2. Very nice entry, and you protect yourself with the hard stop.
That's your 5 minutes.
Yeah, it's going to TP2.
There she goes. Yeah, there she goes.
Yeah, that's TP2 already.
Beautiful.
But you can see why I was using my hard stop on that one.
One day high?
I'm sorry?
It just hit the 1 day high?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we look at this stuff all the time. On here, you can have this on your trading view. It's free. So this is the day's range. Right? The movement had been so little. There's so much more to go here because we easily get 1,000 pip movements these days. But this is only, what is it, about 400 pips it's moved. 305 to 345 so far. So there's a lot of market. It may be a little bit cooler because of the interest rate decision tomorrow. So volume may be a little bit low. Maybe want to hang on for that, some traders. But there's plenty for us. We just want our little bit. Just want your 2%, 3%. Take it and go home.
Yeah.
So the minute, there you go. So that was there. That's where it hit that 45, just there. That was 10 minutes ago. It's going for it again.
TP1 again, guys, is going towards TP1 again. As you can see, green candle, great numbers. You press the button, you book your profits.
We love green. We love green. We love green, and we love blue. Blue waves. The green's on here. The blue is on your MT4, MT5.
Yeah. Finishing the session with another TP1 all-time higher for the day as well.
Amazing. Booking some profits, Mateus.
Yeah, I booked straight away.
Yeah.
Have 2 entries on that one because if it's still pushing up, I'll be able to book more profits.
Well, it's pushing towards that 45, 50 that we were talking about.
Yeah. Have a nice runner for that one.
Look at that. Sometimes, Mateus, if I had nothing to do, I'd just stay here all day and trade and work with you guys. 10 o'clock comes and I think, no, stop it. I want to trade. I want to stay in this family, this community.
As you can see, it's retracing a little bit. It's normal, guys. We have been all-time higher. It's nothing. 1 minute is nothing. It's just, I still think that is a potential 43.50. It's going towards that point. You just need to be patient. I have 1 entry right now. 43. Let me see. Exact entry 43.24.78.
Nice.
That is my entry. I'm holding for the 50.
Pips there.
It's nearly there.
Yeah.
That's amazing, guys. I hope so you enjoyed the session today. Plenty of TPs. one stop loss I can say for myself, and that's it. All blue. I hope so you really enjoy it and you make a lot of profits.
Come and join us at 1 o'clock this afternoon when we open New York, which will be interesting because obviously that's their session for that's their last but one session for their interest rate decision, which is big this month. We've got a new chairman, got a lot of stuff going on. There'll be pressure from the president to put rates down, and there's pressure from the market to put rates up. So that'll be really interesting. But we don't hit that until 7:30, I believe it's our time tomorrow. So it doesn't affect our day's trading really, but it does in the sense that the market may be expecting certain things to happen, so it moves in a certain way because we're not isolated. We live in a very small world where news now travels around the globe in nanoseconds. We're finishing off hitting the day's high again. There she goes, just broken that. So I don't mind waiting a few minutes, see if it gets to 50 in the next 5 minutes. Well, and whether it does or not doesn't matter. You use your stop losses, you use your take profits, disciplined trading. We don't do any loose hunches, anything else like that. This is a very, very scientific way of trading, and it's a safe way of trading. And the thing about the technology, and once you get used to it, I'm going to talk to Mateus about this because he's been using this a lot longer than I have. Mateus, how much confidence have you got now in your trading as opposed to when you started using the system?
So much more. As you can see, look, the numbers are saying it's all blue, all blue, all blue, all blue, all blue, all blue, all morning. We have been just pressing the button. The confidence is there. We're trading together and we're making the money together, guys. It's all blue. The stop loss that we had, I used my hard stop. I don't have any reds today so far. But as you can see, is by doing every day, if you keep pressing the button every day, and you will understand more and more. And if you keep protecting your capital, moving your stop loss to break even, as soon as you're in profit, you booking those profits, you'll be absolutely fine. Just keep booking your profits.
Of course you will. Of course you'll be like us one day. Just a matter of time. It's experience. And the thing is, it's really, really important. Thank you, Carol. Or is it Carolyn? Yeah, Carolyn. Yeah. Probably it all appears together, so it's difficult sometimes to read names. The thing with this is your journey can be accelerated and you can get to our level very, very quickly. The reason for that is we've had to kiss all the frogs over the last 5 years. We've had to lose all the money, pay all the money out for courses. Ask Mateus one day, buy him a coffee and ask him how much money is paid out to people selling courses. We had a client on yesterday. She said, I attended this webinar by such and such guy. Do you know him? I said, we know him very well. Mateus knows him even better because he paid him a load of money. Yeah. Come and train with us. £10,000 for a year's worth of learning. Trading is not a classroom job.
I have been 3 years with them.
It's like learning to ride a bike.
Yeah.
Trading is like learning to ride a bike or swimming. You learn it by doing it. So 10 o'clock's opened, the hour's teetering between negative and positive. This hour could take out this certainly. Yeah. So that 43.50 that Mateus is talking about and I'm talking about is only here.
Yeah.
Right?
We needed that.
Yeah. It's only $3 that's left to do that. Yeah. So gold is selling at $4,347 an ounce. Okay. Sometimes it's easy to forget what we're actually talking about when we're doing this. So that's the price of an ounce. It's only got to jump by $3 to get to that 50. Okay. We'll see you guys at 1 o'clock. See you at 1 o'clock, Mateus. Thanks for holding the fort this morning. Apologies for my lateness.
Don't worry.
I'll see you at 1 o'clock, buddy. Take care. Bye now.
Bye.
See you all.
See you guys.
Bye, guys.